Hello guys, today we discuss Research Institute of India. Here are some important names. Okay, this is for SSC and all competitive exam. So let's start. The first is Central Tobacco Research Institute, situated in Rajahmundry. Second, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, that is New Delhi. Central Soil Salinity Research Institute, that is which is situated in Haryana. Central Rice Research Institute situated in Kotok. National Institute of Nutrition situated in Hyderabad. Indian Sugarcane Research Institute instituted in Lucknow. National Dairy Research Institute instituted uh, situated in Karnal. Central Drug Research Institute situated in Lucknow. Central Potato Research Institute situated in Simla. National Botanical Research Institute situated in Lucknow. Indian Veterinary Research Institute situated in Ijatnagar. Central Food Technological Research Institute situated in Mysore. Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Sciences situated in Nainital. Central Glass and Ceramic Research Institute, Kolkata. Central Institute for Cotton Research situated in Nagpur. Central Forest Research Institute situated in Dehradun. Central Leather Research Institute situated in Chennai. In National Institute of Oceanography, which is very important for this exam, for any exam. Uh, mm, National Institute of Oceanography is situated in Panaji. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research is situated in Mumbai. Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering, which is situated in Bhopal. Central Jute Technological Research Institute, which is situated in Kolkata. Indian Lac Research Institute, Ranchi. National Institute of Animal Health, UP. Central Leprosy Training and Research Institute, Chingalpet. National Institute of Communicable Diseases, Delhi. Indian Council of Agricultural Research, New Delhi. Central Building Research Institute, Roorkee. Central Institute of Homeopathy, Kolkata. Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research, Dhanbad. Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bengaluru. Okay, now we can remember this another way. Here is this. You have to remember this, so you can remember another way, that is you remember you can remember Rajahmundry, which is tobacco. New Delhi, foreign trade, communicable disease and agricultural research. Haryana, soil salinity. Cuttack, rice research. Hyderabad, nutrition. Lucknow, sugarcane, drug and botanical research. Ijatnagar, veterinary. Mysore is for food. Nainital is for Aryabhatta. Karnal is for dairy. Okay. Kolkata is for glass and ceramic and homeopathy. Nagpur is for cotton. Dehradun is for forest. Chennai is for leather. Panaji is for oceanography. Mumbai is for fundamental research. Mumbai is for fundamental, which fundamental research you have to remember. Mumbai is the headquarter of Tata's fundamental research. Okay. Bhopal for agriculture engineering. Ranchi for lac. UP for animal health. Okay. Chingalpet for leprosy. Roorkee for building. Dhanbad for mining and fuel. Bengaluru for astrophysics. So you can remember this another way. Here is some I try to remember you an easy way. Okay, so have a nice day. Goodbye.